Hi foodies, welcome to Healthy Lunchbox series episode number 8. Today we are making a vibrant and nutritious tri-color capsicum rice. First, prepare the spice blend by blending 2 red chilies, 10 slices of 1-inch coconut, a tablespoon of roasted peanuts and a tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds into a coarse consistency. Look at this. Heat 1.5 tablespoon of sesame oil in a kadai. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them splutter. Then add half teaspoon of chana dal, half teaspoon of urad dal and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric for color. Add half chopped onion. I've cut a little bigger for the light crunch in the rice. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the blended spice paste. Make sure you keep stirring it until it gets nicely roasted and turns aromatic. Once it turns aromatic, add 1/4 cup each of chopped red, yellow and green capsicum. The bright colors of the capsicum makes the rice very appetizing. Saute it until it gets cooked, but you have to maintain the crunchy texture of the capsicum. Each ingredient not only enhances the flavor but also brings unique health benefits to this dish. Capsicum are rich in vitamin A and C. Squeeze in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for tanginess. Also adding this sesame seeds, peanuts provide essential healthy fats and proteins to the dish. Now it's almost done. Let's mix in 2 cups of cooked rice, ensuring everything is well combined. Mix it really well. You can add any rice of your choice. You can add basmati rice, Siraga Samba rice or any rice of your choice. Just add 2 cups of it. Oh my god, the aroma itself is just so nice. Look at the vibrant color of the capsicum. Doesn't it look so appetizing? Serve your tri-color capsicum rice hot and enjoy its delicious flavor and nutritional benefits. Overall, this is so aromatic, so quick to make and so yummy that you will definitely make this lunch frequently for your lunch box. Meet you in another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.